It's another trading day, and I'm really happy to have you here in this wonderful morning briefing show. Thanks to Admirals and to my lovely host in the back that she opened this wonderful morning briefing show for Wednesday. It's March 31, the 31st March 2021. And I hope you had a great start into this week. I had a little bit less hours to sleep. I guess I slept 5 hours roundabout. But yeah, I have a lot of things to do to fulfill my mission to help people around the world to become successful in trading. And I want to say good morning and good day, good afternoon, wherever you are around the world. And feel free to ask whatever is in your mind. And you can see it on YouTube as well, like here in Zoom. And our job is to stick to the rules every day and to follow the plan we made before we start the trade. And of course, our topic, or the topic we want to talk today is, let me check, is how you can reach your goals today in trading. And I want to give you a little bit deeper knowledge about this topic. But first of all, we have to start with the daily things we want to do, like having a look at the numbers and the charts, of course. And I'm really happy if you ask whatever is in your mind. Feel free, use the chat that we can talk to each other, because it's your show. And I want that you become successful in trading on a long run. So then let me share my screen with you. And first of all, I have to show you this. That's the risk note, and give me the chat. So here we go. That's the chat. And here I can see the members. That's really cool. I'm really happy that so many people every morning here join our club and the morning briefing show. So Dan, good morning. Doreen, good morning. Mark on YouTube as well. So first of all, the risk note, trading with financial instruments offered by Admiral Markets, or Admirals. Now Admirals, of course, please be aware that's the virtual background, therefore we do it, that you can see that Admiral Markets switched to a new name, new brand. It's Admirals with a lot of new ideas, completely the stuff or the platform you can handle all your financial stuff. It's kind of financial hub. And this is really, really cool. We have a lot of ideas for you for the next things. Roy, good morning to Malaysia, of course. So consult a specialist if necessary to ensure you understand the risk involved in trading. And you know, we follow rules every day, never break the rules, guys. And that's the rules. We come out of the correction, we trade the trend. And that's the rules, valid trend, young trend, buy cheap, sell expensive. And then rule number 3, correction has to run at least 38, buy cheap, sell expensive. And then we are waiting for the balance candle in Heikin Ashi. Okay, so let's check the charts, let the numbers today. China is already done, and UK is already done. We had UK quarterly national accounts. And then this 11, EU will come out with the flash estimate, euro area inflation. Previous one was 0.9, the forecast is 1.3. Let's see what happened. Maybe this could have a little bit effect to euro, but it's not really an important number. Now, if not for us as trader, we follow the trade. So I see Osaren Binba. Good morning, wherever you are. Thanks for joining this session this morning. And US come out with numbers, the ADP National Employment Report. You know, the most important appointment this week is on Friday. The employment data that will come out. So they will have a huge impact, mostly a huge impact of the indices and euro, USD, US dollar most of the times. So we expect today GDP Canadian dollar this afternoon at 2:30, and the weekly petroleum status report at 4:30 this afternoon. So, and if you want to follow our show, or if you want to follow all trades, or if you will get in touch with me directly, you can do it if you open a real account on Admirals, of course, put some deposit on it, and then you have access to this trading spotlight community. It's on Traders Yard. Maybe we can share the link on Zoom and on YouTube, so you can attend and join this wonderful community. Now we are almost 300 guys. We need 9 people that we break the 300, and then we have a huge community and a great community. You see my continuous partners in this project, Jens and Paul. We share our trading ideas. You can get in touch in the chat box here in the blog, direct with me. You can see we can talk about everything, because it's our job to make you profitable in trading. So, and of course, today is Wednesday. So let me invite you to our show this afternoon. It's about the topic, what happens when algos go rough. This is today at 3. Paul, my wonderful partner from Liverpool, will talk about that this afternoon, and I hope you will follow him as well. So now let's go through the charts. Here we go, and we start with the actual running trades, and then we go through the rest of what I prepared for you today. Actually, I get up at 5:30 in the morning. That you see my morning routine. So normally I used to go to bed between midnight and 1 o'clock in the morning, roundabout, and I get up every morning at 5:30, German time, of course. So then I do my morning routine, and then I check the charts, and I prepare everything for you, what I can explain you in this round about 30 minutes in the morning briefing show. So, and of course, I always make a lot of effort what I can share with you, how can I teach you in this 30 minutes. And this is really what I feel every morning. What can I do that you become successful, that you have the possibility to change something, because you know it's not over until you win. And we never have bad days. Remember the show of yesterday? I told you this really, really strong, powerful words. Yeah, a trader never has a bad day. We have character building days. Okay, we have to learn something. Yeah. So Antonio, wonderful. Good morning. Amazing day back to you as well. So we opened yesterday. It's the second shot in Australian Swiss franc. We stuck to the rules. You can see it here. The point of control, first of all, where we want to go. Yeah, you see this. And maybe we can, no, we can. So that's the target. So, and here we go. We want to have 603 pips to go. And this is a lot of space. So we wait for that the price will go down. Maybe this could be a little bit time, could take a little bit time. So, but we stuck to the rules. That's the trend. We saw the correction, of course, deeper than 38. Then we had our balance candles there, and now we are in. That was the balance candle yesterday. Here we go. I look at this one. I showed you this on Trading Community, so we'll never miss a signal. And yesterday, yeah. New trading ideas, Euro and Aussie Swiss franc and Euro Swiss franc, of course. Do you see some updates there? And I hope very soon I have really great ideas. Great news for you. So now we are a little bit in loss, of course. This purple line signalizes my soft stop. So my hard stop is placed above the last 0.3, above this green rectangle. Why is it? Okay, if the price will go up there, the trend is broken and the trading idea is over. But the thing is, we have to cut the loss every single trade. So here was, that's probability. Maybe you remember, Albert, wonderful, good morning. Maybe you remember the word probability. It's based on the Latin word probabilitas, which means, or the other word is accidentia, which makes it's an accident, it's coincidence. So it seems we got a 6. So the dice is there, but it seems we have to roll the dice to figure out if we will get a 6 or not. Maybe if we don't get a 6, then we have to cut the loss, which means out. If you realize you were standing at the right bus station, you see the bus is coming, destination is fine, then you get in, and then you realize on the line, you see, oh, they changed the destination. Whatever the reason, I don't care about that. You will never sit into the bus until the end of the wrong line, okay? So get out, cut the loss, and wait at the train station or the bus station and wait for the next bus. That's what we have to do. And this is what you will do in your real life too, right? You will never sit in the wrong bus until the end of the wrong station, of the wrong line. That's stupid. No one would do that in that way. Why should we do that in trading? It's stupid. Yeah, I know why we do it. But I hope you will never do it, because this is what I wanted to train you, that we are strong enough to cut the loss without emotions. Look, guys, that's not Miss Actor. Who is that? Miss Actor. Can I have a real name that I can make my, because I know from Malaysia is Roy, of course. So why is it? Yeah, we have to be strong, guys. It's not a punishment. It's not a personal punishment if we get out. The market doesn't know you. You remember? We are among of millions of traders, and it's your pen, you know? It's your view at the chart, your perception. And if your perception is not correct right now, why you should follow a wrong path? That makes no sense. So if we have a close above my purple line, above that soft stop, get out. I can tell you why so many people don't work in that way. A lot of people are really, really happy that they have an entry, that they get an entry anyhow, because most of the traders don't have rules. So they are following any guys or suggestions or advices or gurus or any news and something else. So most of the people are really happy. Oh God, thanks God, I have an entry right now, and they will never get out because they are afraid that they will not have a new entry. So we have rules. That's the big thing. We have rules. So, and even we get out, and the trend is still valid, and we will have a next balance candle, we will do it again, as long as the trend is broken or the trade is working for us. Yeah. And let me show you. Look at this one. I know we are going through hard and rough times right now, but I want to show you what happens if you keep strong and keep going. So you see, this is another real account from mine. That's my other one. Look at the lower side. I'm in plus. I'm in profit with the running trades. That's percent, guys, with almost 50%. So what do you think? Type in the chat box. Is that cool? Yes or no? Type it in the chat box. Is it cool? Yes or no? Type yes or no. Is that cool? Do you think that's a really cool thing? Yeah. Is it cool? Yes or no? So you see, I don't care about the accounts. My job is to follow the rules all the time. And I will train you in the next month. I hope we will continue with this morning briefing show, that I can continue how you can become successful on the long run. Yeah, we make different setups and many things. This is want to train you. And you see, if you learn, this is Mehdi, wonderful good morning, Miss Actor. Yeah, this is what I want to train you. Keep going. Never give up. So we have 3 months right now, or maybe 2, yeah, a little bit more, January, February, March. Yeah, we have 2 months behind of us. So roundabout. Keep going, guys. This is what we want to do. Yeah. And I promise you, if you keep strong, if you never give up, we will make money on a long run. Okay. So, and here is the question of today. If you follow the same rules, why you have different result in your other accounts? Oh, there's a special reason, a different account sizes. So this is another account size than all the others. I have, I guess I have 6 or 7 real accounts with different account sizes. This is on purpose because I want to show you that you become successful with every kind of account size. Okay, that's the reason why I have different results. Okay, so but the rules are always the same. The question of today is, by that reason, we have rough times, but I showed you in the long run, we will have a lot of reasons to celebrate to each other. The question is, how long will you follow the morning briefing show? Because now we have almost 2 months behind of us. And I want to ask you that I get a little bit feeling if you like the show or if you say, what a stupid idiot, whatever. So let me know what is your opinion about that? How long will you follow the Admiral morning briefing show? As long as you make profits, the first one, as long as I learn things, or the third one is until I become profitable. So let me know how long will you follow us, and we'll keep going. And let's go further and let's go on with this next trade. So next one is Euro Swiss franc. So you see we had 2 entries already, 2 losses. That's why I cut the loss. Now yesterday we had a third one. Next balance candles, we opened on the way down. Now euro is a little bit stronger again. So, and my purple line means that's the soft stop. My real stop, where it's a worst case scenario, is placed above the last point 3. So I'm really happy until I become profitable. Thank you very much, as long as I learn things. And this is why I get up every morning. Oh, there's another answer. And I missed an answer until the end. Yeah, of course. That's, I knew it, that this under will come. That's really fine. Thank you, Amilcar. Thank you a lot. Until the end. I knew it. So 1, 2, and 3, Thomas, wonderful. Okay, so, and this is what I do, that I prepare every morning, that you can learn every day single steps or single things. And as long as it take place. Thank you very much. I'm really happy that you will follow us for a long time. I hope we will keep going with this show. So next one, British pound, New Zealand dollar. Look, this is what you have to learn. Yeah, follow the ideas, follow the rules, and of course, let the winners run. Now you see why I work with this soft stop. I let the market decide how much money I will get, and now the price is going up. So 356 pips in profit. Did you ever, as long as I'm possible, I'm really happy with this process. Albert, wonderful. Thank you very much. I'm really happy that all of you follow this show every morning. So let me ask you this question. Yeah, did you ever make this experience to have such wonderful profits, around 358? Oh, look, I must show you. Look at this one. Look at this one. It's amazing, right? 527 pips. Yeah, guys, that's not easy. I'm struggling every day. But you see, I learned that from my mentors. Keep strong. As a trader, you have to keep strong and let the market decide. But that's the human part. And that's the benefit of this morning briefing show, that we can do it together. And that's the big point here. That's the big point. It's not easy, guys. The system is simple, but it's not easy because that's the human part. Or do you think it's easy as like, oh, yeah, fine, and singing a song, I did it my way. Yeah, it's my way. And if you go your own way, nobody will be faster than you as long as you go your own way. So that's the point. You see, take a type in the chat box. Did you ever, in your trading career, did you ever had some wonderful profits, more than 300, 400, 500 pips? Type in the chat box, yes or no. Yes or no. Did you ever made such an experience with that one? So, oh, I guess a lot of no's. So why is it, guys? Why is it? It doesn't mean that I'm better than you, of course not. Most of the cases I'm worse than you, of course. But I learned to control my emotions. And that is what we have to do. Is it still okay to enter US dollar? Of course not, Roy. It's too late. Too late. Look, we are in an expensive price zone. And the trade is we are in a movement. Never jump into a running bus, of course not. So I got a lot of no's here, and this is what I want to train with you guys. And therefore, please, in April, I will prepare a lot of new topics, how we can control our emotions, that we can have such together, all together, that we can make together this experience. This is what I want to train with you. Yes, when Wirecard falls down. Yeah, but this is more an accident. Yeah, we want to make it, how should I say, duplicable, that we have this more often than kind of coincidence. Yeah. I bought gold last year in June, and in August it was up 300 US. That's fine. Yeah. And this is what we have to do, but not kind of coincidence. We need to make it profit, a duplicable. And this is what I want to train with you, okay? Therefore, I hope you will keep going with this show with us. So next one, New Zealand Canadian dollar. Look, 350 pips in profit. Let the winners run. Let it run. US dollar Canadian dollar. Yeah, it's a little bit hard at the moment. So no, we don't have a trend continuation right now. So everything's fine. Let the market work. It works. We have a lot of space to go up to the point of control. And maybe we can reach this 562 pips. So if you are not in that trade, you can, maybe you can open, you can set a pending order a little bit above for here roundabout, because now we are speculating on a trend break, maybe roundabout, and the point of control is far away. And maybe we can wait for a correction, and then we can have a second entry. So, but don't miss this trade, guys. Don't miss this trade. Maybe we will get up to the last point of control. And if not, then we can trade, we can manage the trade. But don't miss this trade, okay? So, trading ideas for today. 3. This is Euro, New Zealand dollar. So this is a wonderful, this is a kind of little bit bigger trend. So here we go. Let's see how far the correction ran, actually. Yeah, we have a close below 38. That's cool. Now we need a balance candle. Do we have a proper balance candle? Let's see. Here we go. No, not really. This one, the movement, the body was too big. That was an inside bar. That's not really, and the market didn't react on it. And there is no balance candle, not proper balance candle. So just on my watch list, Euro, New Zealand dollar, just on a watch list. Guys, we have a lot of space to go up. Point of control is here, 177.40. So we have a lot of space to go up. Wait for a proper entry, okay? On your watch list, Euro, New Zealand dollar. British pound, US dollar. So I set a pending order. Why is it? We had already a first attempt here. We cut the loss. But first of all, where we are, the where we are is more important. How we can get in, because this is clear, we have rules, but where we are is more important, that we know where we have to go, okay? So point of control is there, 129, a lot of space to go down. First of all, we have rules. We have a trend, the correction ran deeper than 38%. So we had balance candles there. There was the balance candle, and here we had another balance candle, and I can see, okay, the price struggles here, and it's really hard that the price go up more, that the price will go up more, which means actually I am speculating on a trend continuation to the lower side. But if we will have higher prices in the next candles, then I will delete this order again. But actually, maybe I must suppose that the price will go down. Therefore, I set this pending order here at round about, 136.90 roundabout. Okay, this is a great trading idea. Stop loss, where you calculate your money management above the last 0.3, therefore stop loss. And of course, soft stop, when the price will go down, then bar by bar first, as long as until we can see that the price will go down, then we can go back, or we can set back the soft stop, okay? Cut the loss, but let the winners run if it runs, okay? So New Zealand Swiss franc is another one. Actually, this is, it's a big trend, and we have to draw it correctly. And this is up, then we have down, and this is what I want to show you. So first of all, where we are, deep in the green zone, point of control is down placed 0.694. So actually, we don't have really clear closes above 38, but the price is struggling there. And here we had this wonderful balance candles. So wait for it. If you can see the next candles that the price will not go up anymore, then maybe we will set a pending order right there. So, but I will publish it in the Traders Yard community that you will not miss it. Okay, so put in your watch list New Zealand Swiss franc. Maybe we can make it here. So a quick look at two interesting indices this morning. This is India. This is the Indian index, and this is really cool. I want to show you why this trade is really interesting. So we draw the trend. So first of all, where we are, deep in the green zone. And point of control is down at, 11,231. Okay, so which means we can draw the trend. So down, of course, down. So movement, correction, movement, correction, movement, correction. It's awesome, right? Trend trading works. So actually, we don't have a close there. Not really, which means this is my last correction zone. So price is deep in the correction. That's not a proper balance candle. That's not a proper one. Look, because the body is too big and the shadows are not equally. They don't have the same length. It's not a proper balance candle. So wait for it. We will get a great chance when the price will go down a little bit more. Wait for it. Just to watch it. I only want to show you that Indian index will offer us a great chance to go down to the point of control. Also, our South African index. Really, look at this one. Point of control is placed 50,093 points, which means we have this a similar trend here. Look, movement. So you can learn how to draw the trend properly. Correction, movement, correction, then movement, and now we are deep in the correction. Yeah, so this one, here is my correction zone. So now we are deep in a correction. Now we are waiting for a proper balance candle to go down to the point of control. Therefore, South African index is really interesting for us for the next days. All the other indices are not really interesting for us right now. So what's the learning effect for today, guys? I prepared a special thing for you. And therefore, the question is, you know, we are still at the business plan and how you can reach your goals. Let me share a little bit knowledge with you. Maybe you can make your own notes. How you can reach that. We talk about meaningful steps and which steps you have to go. I want to show you an interesting picture where I can explain a little bit more. So you see the words here, dream written down with date becomes a goal broken down into steps becomes a plan, and a plan baked by actions makes your dreams come true and reality. So all of us, guys, I know we are here, or we are basically in trading. Why? Yeah, of course. Sorry, just a moment. Alexa, leise. What the hell? So all of us, we are here because we have this one dream. I had a dream to become successful in trading, to make money. That's the only reason why we are here. I guess you are not in trading because you are bored about your life or your wife kicked you out. Of course not. We are here to become successful in trading, to make money, to have maybe a better life, or to grow up money for our kiddies for a better education, or to buy shoes for your wife or your girlfriend or both of them, or whatever. There is only one reason why we are here. We want to make money. So this is the dream. But did you ever set a date? And this is one of the most meaningful steps you need to do, guys. This is deep, deep knowledge. Without a date, your dream will ever be a dream. But this dream will never come true as long as you don't set a fixed date. When do you want to become successful in trading? Without a date, you will follow today me, tomorrow next one, next day you will watch another webinar, or maybe you will look for another setup or whatever. But believe me, you know, we have these rules, we have this kind of probability, and I showed you the real numbers. It is possible. But my mentor taught me, Markus, when do you want to become successful? And I always said, I don't know. I want to become successful. And he said, when? And I used to answer, how should I know that when? Then he said, then you will never become successful. But how can I know that? How can I know that? And he trained me to set a date. Because then the next steps means if you have a date, you have a special goal. And only you have a goal, then you can make the plan. So what's the plan? Maybe the plan is to follow every morning this show and to transfer it in your own trading. The plan is follow the rules. Yeah. The plan is stick to the rules. Cut the loss, let the winners run. That's a plan. Figure out your own time frame, yeah, based on the law of probabilities. And then actions. Then you must do it. Nike slogan, you know, just do it. And this is one of the most meaningful steps in trading. And, you know, I want to know, send me your date, send me your business plan, send me your results, and send me your date. When do you want to become successful? Put it in your business plan and send it to me. I will spend for you my whole night to figure it out how I can help you. This is my email address. I will offer you. It's free of charge. Send it to me. If you want to become successful, this is your first meaningful step. Make your business plan, set a realistic date. If you say now it's not realistic. Yeah, because you have to learn. Or, you know, if you plant a seed, you know, it will take time that the seed can ripen up. Yeah. Okay. So set a date, and then you can make goals. And this is another topic in April. We want to go deeper in every single step. But this is the first meaningful step, how you can basically reach all your goals. All your goals. Set a damn it date, a fixed date. In trading, it must not be a day, but month and year. It must fixed in your mind. Without a date, you're always a dreamer. And dreamers, we need dreamers, but we need dreamers, they make actions. And if you ask all profitable and all successful guys around the world, all of those had dreams, but they set a date. And that's the point. How important is taking partial profits? It's really important. And if you follow the show, it's another topic in April. I will explain you why partial profits are so important for us. This is a part of plans, you know? So this is what you have to know. And again, I hope you will follow us for the rest of this show. And I want to say thank you for joining this show again. Thanks to my host in the back. And thanks to Admirals that we can make this show every morning. And I hope we'll see each other tomorrow on Thursday. April, it's not a joke for April. Of course, tomorrow we don't make jokes. Yes, sometimes I make jokes. But first of all, the job we have to do, being happy. That's what we have to do, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have courage and be kind all the time. And may the force of the